I wanted to make a quick video before I go into work to show you all the Bittersweet Selena matte collection. I'm wearing Como la Flor on my lips, and I was like literally shaking as I was finishing up my makeup earlier. Just knowing how much I loved Selena and what she meant to me as well as countless other fans. It was like so bittersweet. It was like the real deal putting this lipstick on. I know it's just lipstick, but it's the message behind the lipstick, you know. Who knows what Selena would have achieved if she wouldn't have been so savagely taken from us. But just to know that her dream was to one day transition into a makeup line and that we're able to help celebrate her memory and the legacy that she continues to lead is priceless, you guys. I didn't want to swatch any of the lipsticks. I hope that when MAC relaunches, I'm able to snag several more because I just want to hold on to anything that I can regarding Selena. I don't want to cry because I'll mess up my makeup, but this has been very bittersweet for me. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.